Have you been searching for the ideal centerpiece of an integrated audio system that offers flexibility, versatility, and installer-friendly features, whilst keeping the user interface clean and intuitive? If so, your search ends here. Introducing the Intusonic INTUWORX PAA71 microphone line mixer. This unit provides control of up to 7 audio sources. And let's start with Linkoustic wireless audio streaming and a hardwired 3.5mm TRS connection. One further balanced stereo line level input is specifically useful for sources at larger distances. This is found on the rear of the unit. Moving on, 5 channels of volume control and 2-band EQ adjustment for either microphone or line level inputs, and a dedicated priority microphone section inclusive of 2-band EQ and talkover adjustment. A large master volume dial and monitoring headphone output with volume control finish off the front of the PAA71. A closer look at the rear reveals the extensive connection options, inclusive of the balanced front of house input. Each one of the 5 microphone or line level inputs features both RCA and screw terminal strip connections and a push button to define the source type, each with their own gain adjustment. One master and record output alongside emergency input and mute features round off this diverse mixer. For more information, please visit www.intusonic.com.